In this video, I will show you which fuses to check if your Dodge Ram 1500 cigarette lighter power outlets are not working. So, let's go ahead and get started. In the Dodge Ram 1500 made from 2002 all the way up to 2005, the power outlet fuses will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood. So here are the fuses. The first fuse you want to check is fuse number 25, a yellow 20 amp fuse. It's responsible for the console power outlet. The second fuse to check will be fuse number 29, which is also a yellow 20 amp fuse and is responsible for the cigarette lighter and the rear power outlet. The third fuse will be fuse number 42, which is responsible for the console power outlet. Like the previous model, in this model, you'll need to check 3 power outlet fuses under the front hood fuse box. So here they are. There are 3 yellow 20 amp fuse. The first fuse is fuse number 1 for the console power outlet. Then, you can find the cigarette lighter fuse in fuse number 40. The last fuse is fuse number 38, responsible for the power outlet IP. In the 2010 Dodge Ram 1500, you'll have 4 fuses used for the various power outlets. All fuses you want to check are in the fuse box under the front hood. So here they are. There is a 25 amp fuse in fuse spot number M30 for power inverter. Then, you can find the power outlet fuses in fuse spot numbers M31, M38, and M39. This is the 20 amp fuse in yellow color. You can replace the fuse for any signs of damage. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.